Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here. I will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is what is the primary functions of the dynamics study of modules assist what a students are already known as whereas or she may want to focus additionally study normalize students learning so the teachers know what to focus on the lectures give students real-life applications of the concept they are currently learning in class, allow students to cooperate with each other's assessments in mastering the correct answer of the question is the primary functions dynamic study models is to assess with the students already known where the she may want to focus additionally study so that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classteacher.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask. There are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.